Hello, welcome to another video for the YouTube channel NDIS Provider Portal. This video will go through how to end a service bookings and a reason to end a service booking. Okay, so we're on the home screen of the Provider Portal. To end a service booking, you click Service Booking, and this time you click View Service Bookings. Within this tile, you'll be able to look at all the service bookings that you have made in the past. So as you can see, it's quite a long list here, and you just need to scroll to the one or find the service booking that you want to end. On the left hand side, you'll be able to open it up, and then it loads. So here are the service booking details. We've got the participant details, the reference number for the service booking, the start and end date. This booking is broken down into 5 different support budget categories with 5 different amounts in it. To end the service booking, click End. When ending a service booking, you need to select a new end date. So this booking ends on the 21st of November 2018. That's about 11 months away. So to end a booking, you just need to select a date that is minimum of 2 weeks into the future. So in this case, I'll select the 31st of January 2018. You now need to select a reason for ending. I'll select Other. Okay, this accruals column is the most important part when ending a service booking. So as you can see, there's 7,800 remaining in CB daily activity. Let's say in January, I'm going to provide $1,000 worth of service for this participant. In that case, I need to put in $1,000 here, or 1,000. Once it ends, the service booking will have $1,000 remaining in it, or the remaining amount will be whatever you put in this column. So if you're providing more than $1,000, you do need to enter that amount, $2,500. So let's go down to CB, Social Community and Civic Participation. In this case, we're not providing any service for this participant in this support category, so we'll put in $0. Consumables, I provided $50 in the past worth of consumable material, and I have not claimed that money yet, so I'm still owed $50. In that case, I'll need to put in $50. Daily activities, I have provided $100, let's say, in the past of services, and in the next 2 weeks, I plan on providing another $100, so that equals $200. For social community civic participation, I'll not be providing any service in that category, so again I put 0 here. Please do not put in the full amount if you're not providing any service. If you put in the full amount, $0 will go back into the participant's budget once the service booking has ended, and thus the next provider cannot be able to claim or make a service booking. Please only enter the amounts that you need to claim once the service booking has ended. So you click Declare, and then you click Submit to end the booking. That concludes this video. For more information on the NDIS portal, please look up the YouTube channel NDIS Provider Portal. Thank you.